Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play PUBG Mobile on your laptop using GameLoop, updated for 2025. First, head over to the official GameLoop website. The link is conveniently placed in the description for easy access. GameLoop is the endorsed emulator, ensuring a smooth and legitimate gaming experience with optimal performance. Always download from the official source to guarantee you get the latest, most secure version for your system on your laptop. After downloading the installer, simply double-click the exe file to begin the setup process. You'll see a few straightforward prompts guiding you through the installation. Most users can just click Install and let it handle everything, but you can choose a custom installation directory if you prefer. This process usually takes around 2-3 minutes to complete. Once finished, GameLoop will either launch automatically, or you can open it from its new desktop icon. Now that GameLoop is ready, let's get PUBG Mobile installed. Head over to the Game Center section within the emulator's interface. You'll easily spot a search bar at the top. Type PUBG Mobile there and hit Enter. Once the game appears, click the prominent Install button. The game files, which are typically around 2 GB to 3 GB, will download and install directly through GameLoop, preparing you for battle. To ensure the best performance, it's vital to optimize your settings. In GameLoop, go to the menu 3 lines icon, then Settings. Under Engine, select Smart Mode and set your resolution, perhaps to 1920 x 1080. For the game itself, select Smooth Graphics and Extreme Frame Rate 60 FPS in PUBG Mobile's in-game settings. Don't forget to customize your keybinds too, making movement and shooting feel natural and responsive for a competitive edge. With everything installed and optimized, you're ready to jump into the action. Just open GameLoop and click the PUBG Mobile icon in My Games to launch. Make sure to double-check your key mappings. GameLoop usually provides excellent defaults, but personal tweaks can make a big difference. If you face any issues like lag or occasional crashes, update your laptop's graphics drivers or try clearing the GameLoop cache. Enjoy your enhanced PUBG Mobile experience on the big screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.